Are you bored with the online lectures happening early in the morning? Are you having low attendance? Or are you sacrificing your sleep to attend the lectures which you didn't even attend during normal college days? Then boy, I got you covered. Introducing Automate X. It is a one-stop solution for not sitting online lectures. You can sleep, you can play, or you can do both, sleep while playing. In these changing times, the world is shifting towards online platforms for corporate meeting, school or college lectures, and even for gym get-together, thanks to this global pandemic. Since Google Meet is one of the most used platforms for conducting online lectures, and we don't want to attend any lectures, but we want to maintain our attendance so that we end up getting good grades. But everything comes at a price, and that price was to wake up early in the morning and attend those lectures. But we are engineers. If an engineer can build a tool for humanity, then other engineers have the knowledge to bend the tool for his or her own convenience. Like we made an app that writes your assignment for you in your handwriting. So we thought of making a bot to do the job. Now, this video is not about life hacks to use for not attending the lectures. It's to show you how you can use the power of programming to build and automate things in real life. Without any further ado, let's get into it. This bot is made using Python and Selenium web browser library. It is a Python library which is used to automate your web searches and different web related tasks. Let's start with the functionalities of this bot. It's timetable based and can be changed anytime. So you don't have to wake up and open the lecture links every day. Just add the timetable and assign the links to the lectures accordingly and you're good to go. It joins lectures automatically on time. If you have assigned a lecture at 10 am in the timetable, then as soon as the clock hits 10, the bot will join the meeting without you opening the meeting or doing anything. Provides you the attendance link. This part is for the people whose college take attendance via external medium like Google Forms. My college uses Google Forms to register attendance. They provide the Google Form link which contains some questions related to the topic they are teaching, and the link is provided anytime during the lecture. So the bot continuously scans for the Google Form links in the chat section. As soon as it finds one, depending on your preference, the bot can raise an alarm like this on your computer so that you can wake up from the sleep and fill the form, or it can provide a notification on your phone. The bot will send the link to your phone using notify.run. For that, all you need to do is go to notify.run and click on create channel. Then scan the QR code provided and there you go. The code will take care of the rest. So whenever the attendance link is detected by the bot, it will send the notification along with the attendance link, so that you just have to tap on the notification and you will be redirected to the attendance site, so you can fill the form directly through the phone. It automatically leaves the meeting. Whether your college takes the attendance or not, you don't want your bot to be sitting in the lecture even though everyone has left, except you and your teacher, cause it can go the wrong way. You will be under teacher's suspicion if you are the only one at the end of the meeting and your teacher has to kick you out of the meeting. This bot will get out of the meeting automatically. If it gets out too early or too late, then you may get into trouble. So, the bot scans for total active participants in the meeting. Let us consider there are 100 students in the meeting. So, whenever the count of the students reaches 50 or below, the bot will leave the meeting immediately and you will not be under any suspicion. The bot leaves meeting when 50% of the students leave the meeting. Last but not the least, repeat. If you have 4 to 5 lectures in a row, then the bot will do the same steps above again and again until all the meetings are done for the day, and you can have the time of your day to change the world and make it a better place. If you want me to explain the code or to show a proper demo of how it works, then comment below. I'll surely make another video on it. The link to the code and the Medium blog of my fellow developer is provided in the description below.